Hello guys, Umar with you. In the previous video, I just recited a poem in front of you written by William Wright Rance titled The World. In this video, I would be just telling you about a product which I bought from Amazon. So, this is it. It is a screen magnifier and let me just show you its box. 3D F2 and you can see such a small mobile screen and such a big, just see the output. Enlarged screen mobile phone. Wow. Mobile cinema. Open the magic. A magic box. So let's see that is it truly a magic box or they are just saying for their sale. But first let's see the backpack. So we can just see the main parts. We can see product introduction. Your mobile is too small for long hours. Watching or reading, your eyes will be very tired. Use mobile magnifier and enlarge 3 times of your mobile. And these are the use steps. So this mobile is compatible with mobile phones. Fine, let's quickly begin with it. So I'm opening the box and here is it. I want to tell you friends that I bought this 5 months ago and when I bought it, it was at the cost of it was 290 rupees. But really now I don't know its price, but I have given the link in the description below. Please do check it out for buying this amazing product. So let me just quickly begin with it. This product is portable. So you can see that I can open whenever I want and then I can just push it and close it and then it can go. So it's something that is portable. And I would like to just show you a mobile over here. So this is a mobile and let me just open the mobile screen and show in front of you. So here is the mobile screen and let me just quickly put this mobile phone into the magnifier and show you. So here I go. See the magnified view of your own mobile. Let me just put half inside and half outside. So just see. Isn't it amazing? Such a small mobile phone is being magnified to such a big extent. Really, it's something worth buy. So let me just quickly tell you that this product is available on many sites, but I have purchased this from Amazon. The delivery was on time and around 100 rupees delivery charges you have to pay, but really it is worth its price. You just saw that when I'm putting it inside it, then just see the small mobile screen is being magnified to such a big extent. So isn't it worth buy? We can enjoy with our family and friends whenever we want, and it's quite boring to see. How can we see for 10 people sit and see on such a small mobile screen? So if you want to you want to enjoy on a big screen, but you have to use a mobile for that, then just pick this up and put your mobile inside it. Okay? So let me just quickly now tell you that my new video will come very soon. Please, before buying this product, just see the reviews and buy the official product given in the link below. Friends, please subscribe to my channel, share my video and like it, and please comment down on which topic do you want my next video. So, thank you.